Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a JPEG file to PDF using free site. It's very easy and quick. Just watch the video till the end. So first, let's open Chrome. Then, go to the search bar and type convert JPEG to PDF. And most of the time, it will show automatically, and you can also search for ilovepdf.com since that is the one that we're going to use. So we are now in the home page. Click select JPEG images. Now, browse to your files and select JPEG files you want to convert and proceed if you are done. You can also select from the options given before proceeding, and if you are satisfied, click convert PDF. Then, after that, click download PDF. It will be downloaded within a second. Then check your downloads on the top right corner and click it. You can see that it is already in PDF file. And if you want to double check, go to your file explorer and go to downloads. And it is already in PDF form. So that's it. Very quick and easy. If you find this video helpful, leave a like and don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.